Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make this simple plush frog. I use a size 4 to 5 yarn and 5mm crochet hook. You also need a felt for glue on the eye of this frog. You need a darning needle, stitch marker, and scissor. Now we're going to make the eye of the frog. Do a magic ring. Chain 1 and 6 single crochet inside this ring. Once you have 6 single crochet inside the ring, pull the tail of this yarn, and then round 2 we will do a increase. So we will insert the hook in this first chain here, and we will do a 2 single crochet in the same chain and repeat around for 12 stitches. Now for round 3, 4, 5, and 6, 4 rounds, just repeat single crochet each of the stitches or chain for 12 stitches around. This is what it looked like after the 4 round. Leave a long tail and cut the yarn, and we will sew and we will connect in the eye of the frog. Count 6 rows, start from the middle, and then insert your darning needle. Right here, and then just sew it neatly here.